Well, students, in our previous class, we have studied about closure property, commutative property, and associative property. So, and also we are already known about rational numbers. Now, how to add rational numbers using this property? So, in that, so find 3 by 7 plus of minus 6 by 11 plus of minus 8 by 21 plus of 5 by 22. So 3 by 7 you can write as it is. Plus of minus means plus into minus is minus. It is 6 by 11. Again plus of minus, that is plus into minus is minus 8 by 21. Again plus 5 by 22. Now how to simplify these fractions? Addition as well as subtractions are given. That's why you can identify the denominator. 7, yes, and 11, 21, 22. These numbers are denominators of the fraction. 7, 11, 21, 22. Find the LCM for denominator. I think you already know how to find the LCM. Select the least prime number. We know that 2 is the least prime number. 2 will not divide 7, so write as it is. 2 will not divide 11, so write as it is. Even 21 is also as it is. 2 how many times divides 22? So 11 times 11 2s are 22. Again select the next prime number, that is 3. So 7 will not divide, so write as it is. 11 will not divide, write as it is. 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21. And 11 will not divide, write as it is. Next prime number 5. 5 is not necessary because there is no factor of the number here. Now select 7. 7 ones are 11 as it is. 7 ones are 7. 11 as it is. Again select 11 prime number. 1 as it is. 11 ones are 1 as it is. 11 ones are. Now what is the LCM of 7, 11, 21, 22? Find these factors. That is 2 into 3 into 7 into 11. Multiply these factors. So 2 3s are 6 into 11 7s are 77. So 77 into 6. 7 6 are 42. Yes, 7 6 are 42. Again 7 6 are 42 plus 4 46. 462 is the LCM. So 7 6 are 42. 4 carry 7 6 are 42 plus 4 462 is the LCM. Now you can write that LCM in denominator. 462 is the LCM. Now the first fraction 3 is there. 7 how many times divides 462? 7 divides 462. Yes. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. It is greater than 46. So 7 6 are 42. Subtract 42 from 46. The remainder is 4. Again you can take 2. 7 6 are 42. So subtract 42 minus 42 is 0. Therefore 7 divides 462 66 times. That 66 you can write here. What we did here? 3 we have written as it is. 7 how many times divide 462? 66 times. 66 into 7 is 462. Now minus 6 you can write as it is. 11 divides 462. 11 fours are 44. Remaining 2. Take 2. 11 twos are 22. So 22 minus 22 is 0. Therefore, 42 you can write here. 7 into 42 is 462 or 11. How many times divide 462? So 42 times. Again, minus sign. 8 into 21. How many times divides 462? 21 divides 462. 22 twos are 42. Now 6 minus 2 is 4, 2. 21 again 2s are 21 2s are 42. 42 minus 42 0. Therefore, so 21 divides 462 at 22 times. Now again and last one, yes, plus 5 into 22 divides 462. 22 2s are 44. 46 minus 44 is 2. Again you can take 2. 22 1s are 22. Now 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. Or 22 1s are 22. So therefore remainder is 0. Therefore it is 21. Again, under the next step, you can write the denominator 462 as it is. Find the product of these two. 6 3s are 18, 1. 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19. Therefore, 3 into 66 is 198. Minus 6 2s are 12, 1. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 is 25. That is 252. Again minus 8 2s are 16, 1 carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 1 is 17. So 8 into 22 is 176. Again plus sign. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Under the next step, write 462 as it is. Add these two because both are positive signs. 198 plus 105 is how much? Yes, 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 plus 9 is 10. Again 1, it is 3. So that is 303. 198 plus 105 is 303. Again these two are negative signs. So you can add that too. Minus 252 minus 176. So 8, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 it is 4. So that is minus 428. Now we got, so 303 minus 428. Again find the difference of these two. That is 428, 303. The difference, see 8 minus 3 is 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. So which is 125 bigger sign minus divided by 462. So like this you have to find the solution for 7 by 3 plus or minus 6 by 11 plus or minus 8 by 21 plus or 5 by 22. Therefore, it is minus 125 divided by 462. So, like this, you can simplify while taking LCM for the denominator. So, I think these problems you are already completed in your previous classes. Even though once again you have to recall such type of problems. Now, I pass on to the next problem. Yes. The second one. Minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 into 15 by 16 into minus of 14 by 9. Now in previous one they are given sum of the rational number, but here they are given so product of the rational numbers. When products are given, make into a prime numbers for both numerator and denominator. So you can write minus 4 by 5 as it is, and into 3 by 7 is also as it is. Into 15 can be written as, so 3 5s are 15. So 3 into 5. Remember, 15 the factors are 3 and 5. And 16 factors are, remember, so 16, 8 into 2 or 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, because here also 4, here also 4, that needs to be eliminated. And minus, so 14 can be written as 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. What we did here, there are different methods are there, but I made into a factors. Now observe here, 5 1s are cancelled because of product sign. Numerator 3 1s are, denominator 3 1s are cancelled. Again, numerator 4 with denominator 4 cancel. Again, numerator and denominator. Now observe here, here is minus, minus into minus, that is plus. What are the things are remaining in numerator? 3 into 2 divided by denominator 4 into 3. Again observe here, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So which is 3 1s are 3 1s are, it is 1 by 2. What we did here again, 3 1s are, here itself we can cancel 3 1s are 3 1s are. Okay, now after this, yes, so remaining here 4, here 2, minus into minus plus, so 2 by 4, which is nothing but 1 by 2. So where we have to use this rule, we have, if they are given product, that is into. If they are given plus or minus, you have to take LCM for the denominator, then simplify. So other than that, only into sign are given, you can make into a factors in simplest form, then same prime factor you can divide with numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. This is another way. This is another way. So or you can multiply all those things, divide by the prime factor. That is also possible. So write down the next one. Yes, the third one. Yes. Example 3. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14 minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. Yes. Okay. Now, observe here. So, 2 by 5 into minus of 3 by 7. So, this minus is a numerator. Numerator. But it is for this 1 by 40, two things. Now, how to simplify this one? So, it means these two you can make it as one group, and these two you can make it as one group. So it means, so 2 3s are 6, 7 5s are 35. 2 3s are 6 divided by 35. 35. Or any factors are there? Here is 3, here is 7. Here is 3, here is 7. I think you can take 1 by 7 as the common factor. Okay. So plus into minus is minus. 2 by 5 into 3 by 7, I will write as it is, minus 1 by 14 can be written as 2 into 7. 14 can be written as 2 into 7. Now minus, so 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. Observe these three rational numbers. Here also 1 by 7. Here also 1 by 7. Here also 1 by 7. So you can take 1 by 7 as a common factor. 1 by 7 as a common factor. What are the things are remaining? Minus 3 2s are 6 by 5 is remaining. Because 1 by 7 you have taken common factor. Minus 1 by 2 is remaining. Because 1 by 7 you have taken common factor. Minus 3 3s are 9 by 5 is remaining. Now you can simplify the numbers. Minus 6 by 5, minus 1 by 2, minus 9 by 5. So inside the bracket. Therefore, let us take LCM of 5, 2 and 5. The least prime number is 2, 5 as it is, 2 ones are 5 as it is. Again 5 ones are 1 as it is, 5 ones are. So 2 into 5, it is 10. Now 10 is the LCM. So therefore which is equal to 1 by 7 of, so 10 is an LCM. Minus 6 into 5 how many times divides 10? 2 times. 5 2s are 10. Minus 1 into 2 how many times divides 10? 2 5s are 10. Minus 9 into 5 2s are 10. Now after this 1 by 7 into my denominator 10 again as it is. Now minus 6 2s are 12. Minus 5 1s are 5. Minus, because minus into plus is minus, 9 2s are 18. Divided by 10. Further, 1 by 7, that is common factor, we can write as it is. Here denominator as 10. So observe minus minus 9. Is all the signs are same. So you can add the numerator 12, 5 and 18. So 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So again 1 it is 35. Therefore minus 35 divided by 10. Minus 35 divided by 10. In between that again here is a product rule. Product rule, it is nothing but, so plus into minus minus 1 by 7 into 35 by 10. Now 7 1s are 7 5s are 35. 5 1s are 5 2s are. Therefore it is minus 1 by 2. So like this you can simplify the rational number. Once again, so 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7. So you can write as it is. 1 by 14 can be made it as, so 14 can be written as 2 into 7. 2 into 7. Because 7 2s are 14. By observing the question we can recognize 1 by 7 is a common factor. So 3 by 7 into 3 by 5 as it is. Here also 1 by 7, here also 1 by 7, here also 1 by 7, take it as a common factor. The rest things, 1 by 7 you have taken common factor, minus into plus is minus, 2 3s are 6 and denominator 5. Here minus 1 by 7 you have taken common factor, so 1 by 2 is remaining right as it is. Minus, so 1 by 7 you have taken common factor, 3 3s are 9 by 5. After that take LCM for 5, 2 and 5, so LCM is 10 and simplify, finally we got minus 1 by 2. So like this we can solve many problems, yes. So related to this, so we can study about the, so distributive property over addition. Distributive property over addition, yes. I think so many steps are there, but you have to use the easiest way. So that is distributivity of multiplication distributivity of multiplication over addition for rational numbers. So up to here we are already know how to add rational numbers, how to multiply rational numbers, how to subtract rational numbers. So here use distributivity. For that I would like to take one question. So minus 3 by 4 of 2 by 3 plus of minus 5 by 6. See, very interesting one. So actually minus 3 by is there in left side, that is called left distributivity. If minus 3 by 4 is in right side, that is called right distributivity. We know that A of B plus C. In algebra we have studied A of B plus C. How to simplify this one? While removing the bracket, we have to multiply A and B. A of B plus B can be written as AB plus AC. How it is AB plus AC? Because A into B is AB plus A into C is AC. That is called left distributivity property. So if it is there in right side, that is called right distributivity property. In the same way, minus 3 by 4 of 2 by 3 plus of minus 5 by 6 can be written as minus 3 by 4 right as it is. Even 2 by 3 is also right as it is. Plus into minus 5 by 6. After this, minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Observe here, A into B. Here A is minus 3 by 4 into B is 2 by 3. That is one group. Next, minus A and C. A is minus 3 by 4. C is 5 by 6. Once again look here. A of B plus C. So A of B plus C is AB plus BC. AB plus AC. In the same way, first term in the first term. So and middle sign you can write as it is. First term with the second term. After this, I think you already know the product rule. Minus into plus is minus. 3 2s are 6. 4 3s are 12. That is 6 by 12. Minus into minus, which is plus. 3 5s are 15. 6 4s are 24. Once again, for 12 and 24, what is its LCM? Yes, 12 and 24. 12 is the factor of 24. Highest number is the LCM. 12 2s are 24. So that is one rule. There are 3 rules. Observe here. While calculating, while finding LCM, you have to remember the 3 rules. If the denominators are same number is the LCM. If one number is the factor of the other number, bigger number is the LCM. If one is even number, another one is odd number, its product is LCM, that is 6. Remember these 3 rules. The numbers are same number is an LCM. One is the factor of the other number, bigger number is the LCM. So one is even number, another one is odd number, its product is LCM, that is 6. Now here, what is the LCM of 12 and 24? That is 24 is an LCM. Write that 24 in the denominator. Minus 6 into 12, how many times divides 24? 12 2s are 24. How many times? 2 times. Plus 15 into 24, how many times divides 24? 1 times. That one you can write as it is. Now, so 24 minus 6 2s are 12 plus 15. Find the difference of the numerator. Yes, 15 plus 15 minus 12 is 3. Now 3 by 24. Now it is 3 ones are 3 eights are. So therefore it is 3 by 8. So like this, you have to simplify a fraction with sum of the two fractions. That is called distributivity. O of multiplication, that is into over addition. Even you can take subtraction also, that is also possible. See, like this, you have to apply the distributivity property for all fractions. So like this, various problems are there. You have to work out one by one. Later on, I will continue the exercise problems in next video. Thank you one and all.